welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do transparent effect in Canva. So let's dive into it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. Stay tuned till the end. First of all, you're gonna take this size over here. And after your page has been opened, I'm just gonna drag my image to my page. And I'm gonna set it to my page background. Like this. You can go in the text column, click on add a heading. Now I'm going to type in here transparent. Like this. I'm gonna just, and I'm just gonna change it to all caps. I'm gonna change its font to Enten, its color to white. Like this. I'm just gonna put it like somewhere like this, so it's more convenient. Alright, I'm gonna make another duplicate and I'm gonna put it above it, and I'm gonna change its effect to hollow. Like this. And now what you do is you're gonna click on the image and go in the edit column. You're gonna go and click on this icon over here, magic wrap. And after your images has been loaded, you're just gonna choose the button click and just gonna click on the object you want to grab from your image, and I'm going to click on grab. And my image has been grabbed, so now I can move it around without the background like this. Now what you can do is you're gonna go in the layers and click on show layers and just gonna drag it above it like this. Alright, and I'm just gonna select and auto adjust them to make them more nicer like this. You can even decrease like the thickness of the hollow effect like this. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends for more videos like these. Bye bye.